Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz content in Canva mobile. So in here, what you need to do is use a template from Canva. And here, just click on the search column at the top and type in quiz. Click on enter. So after this, Canva will show you some of the templates that you can use. So there is an Instagram story format like this, or Instagram post, a square like this. So you can just choose which one that you want to use, the kind of quiz that you want to use. For example, this is a question, and this is quiz, and this is the a crossword, a puzzle. So just choose one that you want to use. I'm going to use this one, for example. Click on the template, customize this template, and if you want to change the question, you can just double click on the question here and type in your question and change the answer option in here. But if you don't want to change, you can just click on arrow down to download it, to save it to your gallery. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.